gonna make a cute little care package for my daughter. It's her birthday and she's away at school, so I just want to make sure she feels loved and cared about and she has something fun to open. I did a whole theme. It's like smiley face, kind of almost 70s paper. My daughter had some things that she really wanted. So she wanted peanut butter crackers and she wanted peanuts so she could feed the squirrels, and I fully support that. I think that's adorable. But then the rest of it was just sort of little goodie things.